I'm going to be meeting with you in just a few minutes, but I want to explain how and why chiropractic should be part of your life. Now, most people think that chiropractic care is just for back pain. Some people believe it's just for headaches. And the reason for that, that's what they came in for. And of course, people refer people like themselves who have back pain or headaches or whatever. But others have been here and have seen tremendous health improvements. And that's because of the things that we do. So the nerves travel throughout your body. They come from your brain, go down the spinal cord, and out through the nerves, every part of your body. There are nerves that control body movement. And then there are nerves that control your heart, your lungs, your stomach, your intestines, your bladder, etc., etc., etc. So you'll be getting a copy of this so that you can see where those nerves go to and what they cause should that nerve be pinched. But here's a partial list. I mean, this list can go on and on and on. But when your nervous system is not working correctly, you could suffer from all of these organs, glands, muscles, etc. with a problem, with a condition. So you could come in with carpal tunnel or lower back pain, or hip pain or headaches, or maybe some stiffness somewhere or joint pain. See, since 1977, I've treated all of these and many more conditions successfully. So golfers often notice the signs of this condition before those that don't play the game. Now, bending over, picking things up like a piece of paper off the floor, or when you were gardening, these can create conditions where your nerves suffer. This leads to organ or gland problems. Now, watch somebody playing tennis and see how it puts force directly on the upper body joints, the legs, feet, and lower back too. Working on a computer like most of us do today, and not standing, but sitting all the time for long periods of time, oh my goodness, that does so much damage to us. In fact, sitting now is considered the new cigarette. Now, carrying boxes puts a strain on your spine too. And children who play sports, or even just carrying those heavy backpacks, can cause problems for them too. Now, a partial dislocation or misalignment of the vertebra of the spine causing nerve pressure can cause those conditions that I mentioned before, and again, much, much more. And this is known as a subluxation. Now, without correcting those misalignments, the changes get progressively worse and worse with time, and then create degenerative changes. So what causes subluxations? I'm asked all the time. And there's an unlimited number, but most of the time, falls, improper lifting, sitting too long, improper sleep, sitting positions, poor posture, high heels, stress, carrying heavy items like a purse, overweight, lack of exercise, and I can go on and on and on. What eliminates subluxation is the chiropractic care. We call it an adjustment. We're adjusting the bones back into their correct position to relieve pressure. That's a realignment of the spinal vertebra. This reduces inflammation and improves nerve function, thus improving the quality of your life. So here's a picture of showing on one side normal, and that's where everything is exactly where it's supposed to be. But look at the other side where the subluxation is. You see that there's a pinched nerve, it's in red. And you see where the disc is also red? Because now it's getting hurt because that bone has moved out of position. And when that happens, now you have a problem, subluxation, where the nerve is being pinched, and wherever that nerve goes to, you're going to have a problem. So the first phase of the care that we're going to be giving you is called relief care. This phase is to lower your level of pain and not use medication. This is going to be for a short period of time, and once we get to that, now we can move on to the next phase, and the second phase is called corrective care. This phase allows us to correct the problem or problems, depending on what you came in for. This increases mobility, flexibility, ranges of motion, and of course, body performance. Your pain reduces even further, but this takes a little longer period of time. The third phase is called strengthening. We are now pain-free. Your body has a much better mobility and performance level. This phase helps your muscles become stronger so that the original condition doesn't return unless there's a new traumatic injury. Now, to help me achieve the speedy results that we get, we use therapy. One of them is called cold laser. This procedure decreases inflammation, increases circulation, accelerates tissue healing, and reduces pain. Another one is called electric muscle stimulation. This procedure provides muscle pain relief also and improves mobility and functionality. The last one that we use is called cervical pillow. Yes, a pillow to sleep on. This pillow supports your neck by keeping your neck in proper alignment while you are sleeping. It is very different from regular conventional pillows, and those can actually distort the cervical, the neck of what's called your spine. So, I want to thank you for putting your trust in me and for allowing us to help you live your life healthier, happier, and pain-free. Now, in a few minutes, I'll be coming to get you, and we're going to start the procedures to see how I can help you. Oh, by the way, if I feel like I can't help you, I'm going to let you know I do not want to waste your time, nor do I want to waste your money. So please, just bear with me. I've got to find out a lot about you, and then we can move on from there. And I want you to also notice that my purpose has been this way since 1977, to have people live a healthier, happier, and pain-free life. So just stand by. I'll be with you in just a few minutes. Thanks.